So how do we go about finding such videos? So let us say that we are going to promote a ringtone offer or some dating offer. So what we have to do is we have to search for the keyword. Rather than searching for the keyword dating, we can search something like dating music guitar, and we need to use these filters. We will sort the videos by view count. Usually this tactic works best with people like somebody playing a guitar, a solo, somebody just having a heartbreak or something, and he just plays some song, and that song gets a lot of views. We are not going after people we are not going after record label and that stuff. We're just going out like common man who is just playing some song in guitar, or some girl playing with guitar. This tactic works best with these kind of uploaders because basically they are not marketers. They are just looking to gain some attention by playing some music or some popular track, and these are the best people that we can pitch our offer to. So let's see some of the videos. For example, this one has over 20,000 views, but it's been up for almost 4 years. But let's see if he has any link in the description. None. See here, there is no way that this person is even going to buy any Vegas views or any artificial views. And let's check his stats. Okay, so he has rising stats, over 20,000 views, 88 likes. So these are the kind of people that you need to get in touch with. Let's see a few more if we can find some. This guy has some link. Perhaps many a times you'll find some person doing a tribute song. So even these kind of videos get a lot of views. I mean, you could even come and search here tribute. Again, you can see here some solo song, but this guy doesn't have a lot of views. So, but still, I think that was uploaded only. Okay, that's been up. This video has been up for a while. And the comments are also very less. I mean, we need to go after some YouTube videos where there are a lot of comments. This one has a lot of views, but there is some link. We could even search guitar solo. This guy seems to have a lot of views, but the traffic doesn't seem like the traffic is not targeted towards US. From what I can make the language, I don't know what language their comments are, but this is not the kind of video that we want to go after. Okay, so this guy has disabled stats for his video. Lot of people don't know about disabling stats, but this guy has disabled his stats. But I'm pretty sure a lot of people must be contacting this guy. Look at the amount of views he has got. This video has been up for a while, but he does not have any link here. You may even want to contact him if you want to. And the way you contact is go into his channel, and there will be an option to send a message. You can send him a message. So what exactly should you tell while contacting him? So while contacting him, you need to be able to answer his objection. Because remember, these video creators are not marketers, but they may have some questions in their mind like, why are you doing this? What if you make a lot of money with their video? Even that is not much of their concern. Their concern is that they may fear that they may lose control of their videos. So you need to assure them that that won't happen. But you should also create the fear of loss in their mind, that if they lose this opportunity, then they may not get such a golden opportunity again. You should sort of position it like a one-time opportunity, and that you also have a few other people who you are contacting, so they should hurry up and respond to you. Now you may ask me a question, what exactly should be our budget? A budget of $10 to $20 a month is more than enough. In fact, 20 is ideal to motivate somebody to accept your offer. So that's about it, guys, for the video on bonus module. Hope you take some action on it and make a lot of money.